enti wey a lawyer for entokwa ebusan lawyer kwame bafa Abronye wabe clash with the OSP efa krata enwe to the babonte concerning Baba Jama action no she say OSP esa akotwe NPP for premise no ebe mu no Abronye abebobo na adwen ewo ho ama Okatakyie Afrifa mensa police no abe react to NDC how ombese omusi treat Baba Jama ewo omu party ni mu be man chirimu no akere wadwen ama me ewo comment section hi Penyah block media metro say any dey mu obe like video na da ma subscribe button some click notification icon no latest updates number to the wadwen da ma me ewo comment section so baso no achere for anya bia hwe so literally about 2 weeks mu na ye wey abra MP for echo omu premise 31st January 2026 as omu koye omu presidential premise echo yi omu presidential candidates on the bid party nim every party kwa abukensi 2028 nyame adma election akesia eda yanimo now is about one in fact ya nhede hu bibi basabasa bia de se bi obi cheska eyesuma se ba se bia aba on camera ye che nema ye bosikatuo ya hede hu bisa de hu ye ayewaso East constituency Baba Jama mo ne Haji Adams mo sikatuo bu boy emo mo cheye emoto mo cheye live on camera eno ana ehu ye now you know Baba Jama mo issue ni ba na man for call for probe say OSP emra na omanya investigation ehu omunya sika wa he because sika ma spend the sika kuma and see a top mom as MP no metena kunya no so a come abono ye come 4 years salary crab ma even when you are din article when you article it wa betena so u betwa just a 3 years pe it account 3 salary boma make ka o ma bono ho ba bia it omunya sika wa hene na e de na motivate wo mu it OSP emechirechirim OSP investigation na no na abusia OSP ede krata ba abontene na ore ba ye no say ene nsema otwere ye the office of the special prosecutor has commenced investigation in respect of the new Patriotic Party presidential primaries conducted on 31st January 2026. Next, OSP credit can begin the statement with what? Launching investigation into the NPP primaries that held on 31st January 2026. She said, NPP for primaries, so my year come da. I had antin was in Biama, say, Ghana for Yakrabo, my pastor, oh, president. In fact, it was such a peaceful primaries. Ghana for Kwabo and for Abasono. Baba Jama mission happen, OSP, as was starting investigation, or they could frame people so. MP for tomorrow, but now you know, be. A fair OSP investigation. Ending Baba Jama mission na ma, and OSP Konya investigation when people did man answer there. I don't get it. Is it both team to score? Sabina Yehu and answer there. Is it both team to score? Is it both team to score and answer there? Say if we are to just handle this person there, yan fa we make home. Sabina can answer there because I don't get it. Baba Jama mo dear, and you know the letter control ranking came with on 7 February 2026, the OSP commenced real-time investigation in respect of the National Democratic Congress parliamentary primaries at the Iowa East constituency. The investigation focused on allegations of vote buying, vote selling, and the sources of funding of the alleged corrupt acts. They say, you believe vote buying, vote selling, and it's an investigation and an OSP carry. And you know, Baba Jama mu de ba ye no eba 7 identity 8 and our issue communicate and the NPP time no what took you so long fe na Baba Jama mu de aba wo bi address NDC dia no e ho na wo se ko twe NPP abem na se be se na se amanfo ya nya adwum se ase you always want to go after NPP na se amanfo ya nya adwum se ase OSP no na ni NPP before do because NDC accept number na yeka. Why then say NPP asema twam koda otwemienu afa na wo se kofa o ma be wura we masemu ase amanfo kirem say OSP ase na ni NPP for too much then say no ana honorable Kwame Bafa Abronye say lawyer wa be kire nsemu in fact wa be react to Iowa East constituency by election Iowa East constituency primary course one sikatuo mbo no hono no wa kire mu na OSP se na busua wa blast no wa clash no pa hard one enye fedi agro
elections owura pe oba bitna na wo no office na ye de ma wo no nhwehwe anim adwuma na ade ye wo ko dwaben ye appointee obi a kwotwe amanso a wonni details no you lost the case at the Kumasi Circuit Court and a way appeal and appeal no konkon ho and a wani magu ase similar case and the see what grabbing when I will can vote buying and you have the evidence you quite want to prove case and then you lost the case and our money spending millions of cedis to fight that case our court unnecessary actions in kwana obaya or initiative or minor enya benefit bia na ntwhwe animu investigation bia or person obeye say what's more because ayawasu is what's more officer so nko serve baba jama wo ye baba jama ne ayawasu is investigation your investigation NPP I will say NPP presidential primaries, you know, and no more yet investigation no. Let me tell you, say Bono region, Bono other 15 region I can mean speaking more, but Bono region, no party member and never communicating, no party member. And the liaison with the OSP so far as the 31st presidential primaries, you know, are concerned. Young cooperative with the OSP, Bono region, other region I can't speak for them. But me manatia say Bono region, the new patriotic party in Bono region, we will not cooperate with the OSP and now or China. So far as the NPP presidential primaries, you know, we will not cooperate. And I remember one investigation of Obia, so we vote by investigation. Ayawasu is a NPP vote by in Bian Koso. No Abeka say, who investigation after NPP presidential primaries in home. Your investigation, but Bono as a region, no, the new patriotic party, young cooperative with your office. Young cooperative with your office with the so-called, on the so-called investigation now, Obiam few. Obiam few because we need any investigation be our way. Your investigation here, now investigation in there, Obiam stop based on the act now the year, Jumano. Nobody and never stop based on the act now the year the party in the Brown region and cooperative with you. Get that? Tiatiasa nti kwana ba faso your investigation here. Oh yeah, why I was vote buying ya vote and 5 people me kan ho 7 year NDC for be hun say I OSP ya unye who we OSP our bon or head that the MPP ba be wuram. Na NDC for na kaso say oh yeah MPP so investigate 419 onihwe ye mumisa OSP onti kroma na akwatia vote NDC primaries vote buying course onti kroma na akwatia NDC primaries why na hu video so no mumisa no say investigation be no timi ye fa ho mumisa OSP say onti kroma na tamale ebra montala wuye no plane crash no wo mo koye no yanti TV cha e course TV o mo che ye hu ade no tim ye Okatakyie yesa akwatia wa hu video bia vote by ye ekoso eno ne na tell say OSP ni ye twhwe animu that is why me say Bono region MPP party and cooperative with him and no otena other region men call masem and no national asem ba hadie of an investigation ya young cooperative with cooperation the anya force and you share no say every fine selfish akwaya wa so is investigation go and do it But the country Ghana for say OSP yan to Shemuafa NPP presidential primary say vote buying course into can me no bomaye. Say the seat of the government be OSP yen ago. What the seat of government in him say wabon. Seat of government in him say we empty. Seat of government in him say common applications crowd the quarter you don't know how to move it. No akogu one nimase. Ada yenim. Oh, one fi say Ghana ha one name say OSP no incompetent. Ghana one name say OSP no incompetent. One name akra ya won name say incompetent. Obi anim. Nti wo ye onveje mfa MPP asem mam say MPP presidential primaries and na den and na wo ye ene ayawa aso nyina. Wo bibi ya na say ka start free akwatia. Uwo bibi papa ya na se ka start free akwatia. Uwo bibi papa ya tamale central na se ka start free oni hweye. Asem bia ebeba te se na anu no ayawa so isi na be ye trending matanti no ahuri kwa ho santan no de no ho akwakogyim. Asem bia ebeba eye popular yi bia ye kan oh santan no awura ho ne art no crowd ye adwuma onim ne functions and ne objective onim ana odisi ho. And I hear millions of series, and I hear born hoka. Are budget I can see any adima agency no. In fact, so be any so the functions of the office no, and Nipana dano no cranim. Nti assembly no ahuru sometime ye be investigation. Assembly no ahuri sometime ye be investigation. E dey investigation. Brabaye, MPP there no cooperative, Bono region, and Bono region MPP no cooperative. So far as the 31st presidential primaries, you know, a year concern, a catch print. You no cooperative.
Now, on say a buy, you know, NDC 4% say, or move a coin be also a partnership Baba Jama. But anyone also want a chair near ma. Baba Jama Chebi, Hajiano Oche, Obano Chebi, Bemana Waka can also check one corner a child moto no. But say buy, Baba Jama didn't want a year, bona, and no, and a FIFA bet you. The entire NDC for us, Omani San Baba Jama. What bet you?
Now, the course war Ayawaso East. Let us not be hypocritical about this situation. Yenin common said ye etie. O mine no yetim no yenye no kre for mine. We pick and choose which one we want to address depending on whose interest it serves. Eti yese Ayawaso East. Yakoto a year by election. Primaries. It's not even the main election. Now, Nkrofuache TV, and you heard them, you heard the delegate themselves. If you have 50 million, if you have TV, if you have 10 million, if you have say, if you have meko now, sa kosuane meko ni TV ni delegate, it has become very topical because continuously people are calling and say, sa delegate system, it breeds corruption. It's a question, but at the same time, the hypocrisy, if the same way see here quickly, Fiavi Kweti, our General Secretary of the NDC, a release statement. So, NDC party, has set up a board, a committee, of which Maham Ayariga, who is the majority leader, was part of that committee. And Chebiana Mahama Ayariga, a year, Weber, it's a nipa baako di onyaye ewo Ayawaso East and washishe ewo hono. A nipa baako di onyaye ewo Ayawaso East and washishe jina hono. But see a building or mind here. How can we build a nation like this? See a check or mind. That's what mind ye be ya. How can we build a nation like this? Nation as a MP baako kwa stand election. MP nakatuya aboroswa 25,000. So 25,000 multiplying by 12, which is 1 year. So 1 year no. MP nisika enru even up to 350,000 Ghana cedi. Now multiply so 350,000 by 4, which is the 4 years of being a member of parliament. that MP no will not get even up to 1.2 million Ghana cedi in the whole 4 years. But they spent fortunes. They spent fortunes. Question Yebusan say, "Ediye ne wo munti Baba Jama ene wo maka." Now moving away from Baba Jama no maka no. Government release statement so we are recalling Baba Jama as a year envoy to Nigeria, special envoy to Nigeria. We recalling it. In any case, it was hypocritical, not because they genuinely want to solve any problem. Because Baba Jama as Wababe we need primaries, not or co-parliament. It is obvious to say on call back to Nigeria as a year the consular or whatever they call it. Because a member of parliament, there are guys who are recalling one. You are being hypocritical. What are Ghana for? No? Now, another question that we are asking, and it's John Maham, if indeed they wanted to fight corruption and yet because it serves a certain interest, there is a turf war. A camp. Only Fifi Kwete, Womo camp. Vis-a-vis John Maham camp. If it's John Maham petete mbiako. A certain getia any Fifi Kwete Yusuf master stroke be. It's John Maham appointees now come into the party hierarchy. Babe Buama John Maham etimi akotete no. A certain getia any Fifi Fiavi Kwete Yusuf master stroke be the clause we have a show say Obasa Obabe contest here. Resign as a government appointee. So what they've done is that they've locked Mahama boys, who are holding a government appointment. So omuntimi mama be contested because you don't want to gamble with say yama juicy appointment as a CEO, as a minister, as BB. Now ube gamble ediaba ababe yesa ube pe party yiti. Right there, they've knocked Mohammed's third term agenda off with just a clause within or more directives of the buy. Now, John Maham tries to also get at a year Sedun Ketia boys within the system, of which Baba Jama is a part of it. And until Baba Jama is wrapped as though or more fighting corruption, but it's actually not about corruption. So Obaro the winning year and Kwamon Kawohi and Kwambe Kataso am here moving on. But because Baba Jama, who is an Sedun Ketia boy, won, now they are trying to use technicalities to knock out a year Baba Jama. How are they doing that? Obviously, government are recalling because Baba Jama is a government appointee within the whole saga. Menoka say Hajia Amina Andam, who is the late MP Nigireno, or your board member ma Pristia Sankofa Gold Limited. It is a say fighting corruption. I don't think John Maham and recalling on also an appointment. Hajia a board member ma Hajj board. I didn't see the calling and say Hajia because of a vote by any corruption course on Nuntino. Yeah, you would hear every hole. But it's not because they want to fight corruption. Your mama binding and I just fighting corruption. They want to target Baba Jama who won the election because Baba Jama yes don't get your boy. So the hypocrisy with this fight against a delegates and a vote buying. That is exactly what I am against. It is not a vote buying. If it's a vote buying, Mama Yaraga all corny elections, Utia and Yetuabamano. It is a yenina as a nation if we want to have a conversation on what vote buying is and how we should move away from it. Let us have that conversation. But you cannot hide behind the idea of fighting vote buying to target a Siedun Ketia Enkrofo within the system. You cannot use the idea of vote buying to target a Siedun Ketia Enkrofo within the system. And that is what John Maham is doing. John Maham buying. Eja demo. Eja the NDC mu pa. Now person who say eja the NDC mu. My former boss Julius Debra. Mokaya omoba ben mu no ano na washa ase na wotutumrika na wakọ he started his campaign. Enemu hu ni biu. And wakani tira koshim. Edientia. Whispers from the corridors of power. Esi wo yes anioma no yes anioma no twem ye yini desk ni table so nyina chief of staff ye yini table so nyina na de ama Kalistus Mahama tienie if say na John Maham petete agenda ne say be solidify ana say mirror me former boss Julius Debra so eye na adwene so obekobi na wo ye na adwene so obekobi no a wo sha ase wo tutumrika wo ne celebrities Eco health work na jana yire fefefe wodi ne nkyɛn ne ade which was a means of so marketing and hope for the future. No, your mama boy, Callistus, clear the table, clear the table. And Oma clear, Julius Debra table, there is a tough war going on within the NDC. I say don't get here per presidency. I say Edi Wanififi Kweti, who are true-blooded revolution for no, the cadres. They believe that John Maham is even an outsider because clearly John Maham was from PNC in 1986. John Maham was brought on board. So I say don't get here if you have Kweti and then Crawford no one side. John Maham and then Crawford Mababinyas Canons were another side. Former chief of staff Julius Debra and Crawford were another side. But Oman Mia, my former boss and friend, and he's a very good friend of mine, Oman Mia Kakra out of the scene. I is left with John Maham and a Sedun Ketia as to whether John Beko Tetem. And I say, Wamode a year at 2 force in Beba. And I say, Sedun Ketia, Nangasabewini. So, Sar and Tokwano Neko so Omudi be a go against Baba Jama. Not because they want to fight any corruption. Vote by an idiot. Yenimdeda. Vote by any yenim papa. Na yesi ya chichiriwa maya. Say ni yenwo. Si ya kwa kotu abawa ya wasua. Provision shop okura mfane ho. NDC no osu woba. No ababe change a system resetting no. Ya kotu primaries keke. Etimewu se eye Anthony Nukwenu. Anthony Nukwenu ede ensembia baba tudwa se o. Mahama yarega ene ne majority no. Ensemhuru ana omokeka se ye annul the election result. Let's put it on record that when elections are held and it's counted and the EC declares the election, no other body has the mandate to annul that election except the courts. Tienye. Eti sa idea of annul NDC as a political party cannot annul the elections. It will take the courts. Now, strategically, and within so court to cry me annul election, there is a time frame within the courts where the courts will allow for such petitions to be made. Set up committee. Say if you have equity, I say don't get your omubo Baba Jama. Eti omu boss strategic game. Yes, set up committee. Committee ni nyanhwehwemu. Omu make recommendation. Committee ni be yanhwehwemu awie. Omu recommendation be so Baba Jama should annul the elections. Baba Jama should be removed. Now Baba Jama will move it to court. Baba Jama will go and tell the court say NDC does not have the authority to annul the election results because it is a game to keep Baba Jama in by the 50 of equity and the Sedu camp. But it is also a game which Mahama is using. Say, or they been knocking Baba Jama out. And all of this is happening. Ontiasia. Politics is a master stroke game. Ontiasia. Yemubi, we can see beyond a year the fight against corruption. Say, Obano ne wini ya, tienye. Say, Maamini ne wini ya, hajia ne wini ya. Akadiya discussing in Akema. Omo use Baba Jama as a scapegoat keke. They are discussing so Obano ne wini ya Kemba. If the NDC in NPP said they cannot annul the election results, once it has been declared by EC, it is only the courts that has the power. So there are no results. The court also it has a time frame within which I will apply. One of the technicalities they didn't knock it out and they said the time frame within which you could apply to the courts and it has elapsed. That the statute of limitation has actually caught up. It will 50 of equal to name. I say, get delay. Investigation. Not time, the time frame within which the statute of limitation has elapsed. And they know. It move beyond that. Baba Jama say, Oma, a year bribe, Baba Jama view.
And that's why I'm still saying that I'm hoping that they will see reason with me and come along with me. Isn't anything like that. Have you seen anybody buying votes?
Your
I have
Excellency.
not seen anybody buying, so I can't comment on that. If allegations, why should you come to me? Go investigate that allegation.
Some delegates have received television sets and they say it's coming from your camp. Could you confirm or otherwise?
So if you give television sets to people, what is wrong with it when you gift things to people? Is this the first time I'm gifting things to people? I have been, those of you who know me, know that every Christmas, every occasion, every instant, I have put down 2.5 million to give free loans to people. So if today you are giving, people are coming to vote and you are giving them something, you are not, it's not buying food. I speak. If you have listened to me carefully, I say, look, if somebody gives you gifts, you can take it. But allowing that gift to influence your vote is what is wrong. It's not a gift. It's allowing that gift to influence your vote. Then it's wrong. By giving gifts, all this week, you think that you can bring people together and you give them water. It is not the item. It is the intention. You understand? And I don't think that I have gone around, I've spoken to them, I've met people. And that's why I'm still saying that I'm hope and trust that they will see reason with me and come along with me.
And come along with me. Baba Jama, or a lawyer, so in the choice of words were very clear. I say it is not the gift, but it's the intent behind the gift. Because before you can actually prove culpability of a bribery, it is not just about Nipano aye bibi. A man's act should not be criminalized simply because society believes it's wrong. But a person's mind must also be guilty. So in every act, we have a mens rea and an actus reus. And Baba Jama knows clearly exactly what he was saying when he said that it is not about giving of the gift, it is about the intent behind it. So how are you going to prove there was actually a vote buying? You are supposed to prove that yes, the gift was given and the intent.
The word your mommy, comment section. Hi, Penyah Block Media.